Hey everyone, it's Tyler from WorldWalks, and surprise, we have a new feature I'm testing out right now and seeing if, showing my actual face in these videos is a good or bad thing. Leave your comments, leave your feedback below. In this video, I am walking through Madrid, Spain at night, which is a very cool sight to see. Very different from kind of where I'm from in America, where people tend to fall asleep and stay home past 10 p.m. But in this specific video, I actually started around 10:15 p.m. and I think it was even a weekday. But you'll notice people are out and about, having a good time, shopping, hanging with friends, and that's really what really draws me to, I think, the European culture is just, it's much more, in my opinion, social, and just the energy is undescribable. So in this video, I start in this walking street right here. It's a little blurry right now, but it's full of restaurants, shops, etc. And I make my way over to this Plaza del Callao area where there are some street performers kind of doing some dancing and stuff like that. A bunch of people out and about watching the actual performance. But a bulk of this walk really is in this main kind of thoroughfare. It's one of the main famous streets called Gran Via. And this is really where a lot of the major stores and shopping are in Madrid, Spain. So if you are into shopping and if you're into being part of that dense urban kind of atmosphere, Gran Via is where you're going to want to be, especially at night. It's a very cool street, lots of lit up architecture and street and buildings. You'll notice there's just a lot of cool energy, people out and about, again, at 10:15 p.m. on a weekday, I think it was. So I make my way down this street, Gran Via, and it's a pretty quick walk, but I end it at one of the major stations here in the metro area, or the metro station, called Gran Via. Very cool, old school looking, we'll call it metro station here, but very cool walk. You'll hopefully enjoy it. A lot of energy, a lot of lights, a lot of people, just a lot of fun, cool times out there in Madrid. So with that, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Appreciate the support, and enjoy the walk.
And I have to give you €1.
De una forma dinámica. Así que solo con las palmas creamos el motor y empezamos. Por favor, que le cruza la línea de agua. Le cruza la línea de agua, no se preocupen que no es gasolina. No es gasolina, es agua. Así que al final me contrataron para continuar.
No, yo estaba fuera del cine.
Yo tengo una tos y una cosa aquí que no puedo hablar, que tengo que beber agua. Pues engordé mucho, 12 kilos.
Oye, bueno, déjalo. Mejor me decían que fuera acompañado, ¿verdad?